Hi 4K friends, this is Mrs. Burns, your art teacher, and for this week's art lesson you are going to get a little worksheet that looks like this. And on one side of this worksheet we see what? What are all of these little things right here? What do we call these? Letters! Yeah, we see the alphabet starting with A and ending with Z. A for apple, Z for zebra. And then there's even some numbers at the bottom. Cool, hey? When you flip this piece of paper over, what do we see now? Numbers. So starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Going from 1 all the way to 14. So what you're going to do first, you're going to need a pencil and you're going to need a scissors. And what I'd like you to do is I would like you to write the first letter of your name. So the first letter of my name is M for Mackenzie. I want you to write the first letter of your first name next to every single one of these numbers. Just little right next to it. I'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4. And just follow that order. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The reason why we're doing this, and end on 14, is in case what we're going to be doing now is using our scissors and do a little cutting. And you're going to turn this picture into a bunch of different pieces. So in case you lose a piece, Mrs. Koski will help you out and hopefully be able to identify the first letter of your first name and be able to put it together with the rest of your pieces. Okay, it's just like writing your name on your worksheets or artwork. So after you're done with that, you're going to get your scissors, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut all of these lines on this side of the paper. Last week we did lots of cutting, and I know that it was a little challenging, and it's good though. It's good practice. It makes you a stronger artist and a stronger student. This week it's going to be a little bit easier because we are just cutting straight lines. So that makes it a little bit easier, these straight lines. So just remember, when you hold your scissors, your thumb goes in the smaller hole, your other fingers can go in the larger hole, your thumb is always on top, and when you hold your paper, your thumb is also on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with one of our longer lines, our line that starts on one edge and works our way all the way across to the other side. So let's start right here between the 10 and the 11. We're going to cut this line going all the way across. Let me just zoom out a little bit. There we go. So again, thumbs on top, cut all the way across. Excuse me. All right, so you should have 2 pieces of paper. I'm just going to set this one off to the side, and we'll just concentrate on this one. So let's find the next longest line. Let's go between the 10 and the 7. And you're going to stay on the line as best you can, cutting all the way across. I'll move this piece over here too. So now we're going to cut all these individual pieces. So 1 number per piece. So we can go ahead and just cut this 10 right off. And I'm going to make a nice pile off to the side, all my finished pieces. We're going to cut this 1 off. Put that over there. And then let's grab our 5 and our 2. Okay, Put those over there. I'm gonna grab the next big piece. I'll go ahead and cut the 7 off. Put it in the done pile. Let's cut this 4 off. Done pile, and then 3 and 6. Alrighty. Okay, now we got a little bit left. Let's go ahead and cut this little tiny 11 off. Put that over there. 12, cut that off. Let's see, we're going to split between the 14 and the 9. Separate these two. I bet you can guess what we're making. All right, now I have 14 pieces, and when I flip it over, what? It's like a what? We made a puzzle. Yeah, so you could do it on both sides. You could try it this way. Just remember that 1 starts up here and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it continues 5, 6, 7, all the way up to 14. But you could also do it this way, but you have to start with the first letter of the alphabet, which is A for apple. So what I like to do when I do puzzles is just kind of spread it out so I can take a good look at all of them. And you'll see this black line that's along the edge. That's the edge of your puzzle. Okay, when you see a dark black line along the edge, that's just the edge of your puzzle. Like this one doesn't have a black line, so that means this piece is going to go in the middle somewhere. All right, so A, ooh, I see bananas. That must stand for B. All right, C. Oh, I see D. That comes after C, so it must be close by to find that piece in the middle. E, F. I see part of an elephant right here, so if I look for that part, ooh, I see elephant legs. That must go right here. There, ooh, yeah. F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G. There is, oh, I see a G. Oh, the C must stand for cat. G, I think I see the bottom part of the G. G for grapes. I, there's ice cream. Ooh, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Forgot about the H. Oh, I see it. H, I, J, K, L comes after L. M, N. I think this picture matches. N for nose. O for octopus. P, Q. Nope. This is the piece. There. R, S. S for snake. Here's the T for tractor. Oh, this is a big piece right here. U. And this last one must be right at the end. Z for zebra. All right, friends, now you have your very own puzzle that you made. Good work. I hope you have fun with this. Thanks for listening.